What's up, son?
Come on.
To whom it may concern, yeah, listen. Sorry I'm away so much. Yeah. All the sons, daughters, penitentiary niggas, yeah, feel me. Sorry I'm away so much. Yeah. My son was born about 4.5 years ago. Loved and protected him, amazing how fast they grow. I came to know about his likes and his dislikes. Video games taught him how to ride his first bike. This is the life, my little nigga. I see you getting all upset when I'm leaving the house, pal. Let me tell you about. Try to make it